Hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. So today we're going to talk about tangential SEO. So, it may sound like a medical term, but tangential SEO is a real SEO term, and trust me, I've not made this up. Now, if you've not heard about tangential SEO, trust me, you want to watch this video for two reasons. Number one, it will help you increase the amount of organic traffic you get. Number two, I'm going to show you how to do tangential SEO. So before I do, I just want to say that I also offer SEO for a living. I have an SEO audit service on my site. The link to my site is in the description, where I also offer monthly SEO and I also offer consultation services. So if you're looking for someone to do SEO for you, need help with a website, feel free to get in touch with me. Reach out and I will certainly get back to you. Now, tangential SEO is probably one of the most effective ways to increase the amount of traffic you get to your website, and it's also a great way to improve your authority. Now, I have an entire article on tangential SEO on my blog. If you want to read more about how it works and why it works, you can go to the link in the description and read the blog. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do tangential SEO. I'm using Claude, which is now my AI of choice, but you can use any AI program. ChatGPT will also work as well. The reason why we need to use AI for tangential SEO is because no conventional keyword research tool provides us with the data that we need. And again, that's something I go into in my article. And so we need to use ChatGPT to expand and to do tangential SEO, which is something I'm going to show you. So without further ado, just let's jump right into it. So I'll just go ahead and expand this real quick. So as you can see, I've already generated a few prompts. You'll go ahead and solve it. So for example, we're going to use dog training. And so this is the prompt I pasted in, and just remove the quotes around it. And so it suggests 5 tangential topics that are complementary to dog training, which is the keyword or the industry that we're trying to target. So it's dog training school that our website could create around. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to ask for too many topics at a time, because what I've seen is that ChatGPT can go off course. And so 5 is probably the sweet spot. You can maybe try 10. Now, I did say in my introduction that I would use Claude as Claude AI, but the problem with Claude AI is that most of my subscribers probably don't have access to it. And so ChatGPT is something that everyone has access to. I'm also using the free version, so this is not the paid version. And as you can see, it says here dog behavior and body language. Now, I'm doing this for a dog training school. And so this here is a tangential SEO. So this here is a tangent, this here is another tangent topic, this here is another tangent topic. So caring for senior dogs, training for specific skills and sports. Now there's one more, one more prompt that I often use that gives me very good results, and this is the one that I use over here. And I'll just demonstrate this over here and show you why this works so well. It says, give me 5 tangential SEO content angle ideas outside our website's core services. Now, it already knows that our website is dog training, which I've already pulled this in. And so once I generated the 5 initial prompts, I use this prompt to generate 5 more prompts. And this keeps ChatGPT on course. So our website's core services, which is obviously dog training school, that users would find valuable. And when I do this, it already knows it's dog training because we've done it, and it comes up with a separate set of topics. So indoor and outdoor pet safety, and over here it says dog behavior and body language. It also gives you a short synopsis here, and I'll show you how to use this to generate. You take these topics, and this is something that no keyword research tool does. And I'll take these topics over here, and I will put this into SEMrush, and I will see what keywords. So we're taking our topics, we're going backwards, and then we're generating keywords that we can add into our content. So what I'm going to do here is, this is Surfer SEO. I've fired up Surfer SEO real quick, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the topics and then go backwards and generate keywords based on the topic. So I'm going to generate a topic cluster, based on the topic that that ChatGPT gave me, and I'm going to use those keywords to optimize my site. So I'm going to put this in over here real quick. So I'm going to do indoor and outdoor pet training. I'm only going to do one so that you guys see how this works. And so Surfer SEO also put out this new feature called topical map, which is in beta. I'm not aware of any other tool that has this, but I'm going to show you this here real quick, and I'm going to put in Dog Training School. So while that's running, we'll just run Dog Training School and see, how good of a job it does generating a topical map. Now, I've not, used this extensively. It's a brand new feature, and probably Surfer SEO hasn't notified me about this. So it may or may not be present in your subscription. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'll get back as soon as this loads. So Surfer SEO has done its thing. I'll go ahead and click on indoor and outdoor pet safety. And here it is. So indoor versus outdoor cat. Not sure what that means, but it's got indoor versus outdoor cat as the main keyword for this cluster. Indoor to outdoor cat, and not sure what that has to do with dog training, but it also had dog's heat wave, coyote in neighborhood, so pet rabbit, cat life, animals in cold weather, how hot is hot dogs for dogs. So what we're really looking at is if we're trying to find clusters, tangent clusters that Surfer SEO was able to spin off from the tangent key phrase that we provided, or the tangent topic we provided. And sometimes it does a pretty good job and sometimes it does not. So over here it says activities with dogs. Now this is a good tangent topic for a website that's a dog school, so dog training school. So you can have a blog about activities with dogs that says this is informational content. By the way, if you buy Surfer SEO from the link in the description, it's an affiliate link and I get a commission each time someone buys Surfer SEO or subscribes to Surfer SEO using that link. So if you use that link, it helps out the channel, it helps me out. Just keep that in mind. It is an affiliate link. So summer animals, over here it says wild animals with nothing to do with dogs. So really I want to stay as close as possible and not go off on a very steep tangent. So heating pads for dogs. So this is something we can certainly do a blog post for. It will maybe not rank as well, but we would certainly be on topic, which is our main entity is dog, and then our sub entity is training. And so we should remain on topic with our main entity so that we're building it relevant. So dog left outside in the cold, this is another one. And you can just go on and you can pick these out, put this in an Excel sheet, or you can just, if you want to create an article, a Surfer optimized article, just click here. I'll take you to the content editor and you can start writing an optimized article. Flea collar for dogs, this is a good tangent article. This will probably be informational. Yes, it's informational. Outdoor installation, cat house, not really relevant. So you can do this for all 5 topics. I'm not going to do this over here, but it'll just increase the length of the video. But you can see where I'm going with this. And so the more tangent topics you have that are reverse siloed or siloed to your service page, the better it is for you to rank and the more traffic you're going to bring in. If you're not sure what a silo is, I have a video about that with one of my older videos. You can take a look at that. I almost forgot to show you guys the topical map, which is in beta. I did for dog training school. And this is the topical map. It's 69 topics. Coverage is 7 out of 10, so it's covering dog training schools for trainers, dog training schools near me, master dog training schools. So these are related keywords. This is part of the cluster for dog training, and then it has entities for each keyword cluster. Not sure, but it has quite a bit of data. Now, is this topical map complete? By no means. This is not even a half-done topical map. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. But for something that's for free and you can just generate, using Surfer SEO, I think this is a great tool. And maybe this could be the basis for building a full-blown topical map. If you guys want to see me use Surfer SEO to build a topical map, let me know in the comments, and I'll show you guys a process. Using Surfer SEO to build topical maps isn't really, the resulting topical map isn't all that great. And trust me, it's going to be a like 4-hour video or a multi-part video. So if you guys ask me to do it, trust me, it's going to be a very long video. This video useful. Use this, implement this right away. Google is not going to penalize you. You don't need to worry about keyword cannibalization, and you certainly don't need to be worry about your website being seen as not being relevant, or just reducing the relevance of your website in the eyes of Google's search engine. But just make sure that you do the research, you make sure your articles are well written, and you will get a lot of traffic to your website, and you will see authority improve over time. So there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.